Hey folks, and welcome back to Shaggy's Car Shop. On tonight's episode, we're going to be unboxing my brand new steering column. So again, as you can see, Firebird's not back, so I'm slowly just trying to collect a pile of parts, so as soon as it gets back, we can keep working on that. Without any further ado, let's get after it. Alright folks, so I got this in the mail, yeah, unopened, so let's check out what I decided to purchase. I was looking at a few different steering columns for my Firebird, and decided to go with this one from JEGS. Alright, get that out of there. This thing comes pretty fancy. Alright, so looking at this, what did it all come with? So it came with my tilt rod, my blinker switch rod, and my hazards. So on my Firebird, I'm going to go with the key in the dash, not in my steering column. And I wanted a tilt one, just because it's easier to get in and out of the car, and I'm, you know, a large human. People weren't as big as they are now. Other than that, it does have the standard GM wiring harness on it, and it is just a double D end on the back. Now, on this end, it's fitted for your horn button, and whether you got an adapter or a, let's see, there's 3, 6, 9 bolt steering wheel on it. So again, your hazards go here. Let's see. And your blinker switch right in there. Appears you have to remove your hub here to get your blinker switch on, and then you just screw in your tilt adjuster. Now, it is just a bare steering shaft. I know I was looking at some of the I Did It ones that should mount directly up into the car. I decided to go with this one, figuring I can find a mount to mount this up in the car. It is, I think, a 32 or 33 inch steering column. So the main reason I went with this one is just a price point. With shipping, I think this was right on the money at 300 bucks. And availability. A lot of the I Did It ones were on back order for months. All right, folks, so on this steering shaft, it's a 2-inch main column, and I ordered one of these Flaming River little adjustable, I guess, mounts for the base of the steering column. So this will slide on here, you tighten it down, and then it locks it in on your firewall. There is a boot that's associated with this, so, but yeah. After that, I'm going to have to look for a hanger that fits on here. I think Flaming River makes one of these that'll actually mount right up underneath the dash where the original one mounted. I don't have that part yet, but that's that, I guess. Again, it should go right into my, well, I'm not going to have a standard wiring harness on the car, but generally some parts will match up, like the GM lovely little original wiring harness. And again, I got this from JEGS. The reason I went with this is the tilt capabilities, and it was already painted black, so it'll match my interior of the car. But yeah, that's all I got for tonight. Let me bring you right back. Alright folks, that's it for tonight's video. I just kind of wanted to show you guys some of the new parts I've been getting in, like the steering column. Because I don't have my car back, I would work on more Volkswagen videos, but again, that's kind of up over in the corner on hold right now. Want to keep my garage somewhat clean for the moment I get the call from the body shop that the bird's done and it can fly home. Yeah, I don't know what's coming up next. I got a couple ideas. I want to make a center console for my truck, so maybe into that. Maybe the bird will come back. It was supposed to be back by, the beginning of the month. I think we're working up a week and a half into February now, so it's not back, which is fine because it's been raining a lot here and my yard is kind of muddy, so I don't think my truck would like that. Well, my truck would like it. I wouldn't like fixing my yard after the fact. But yeah, we'll get back to this once we get the car back and figure out how to install this bad boy. Should be a pretty good piece for the car. I will throw part numbers down in the bottom just in case you're looking for something along these lines. And I'll see if I can find the part numbers to the other parts that I'm planning on getting and that I already have. But yeah, I guess that's it for tonight. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.